So here we go. So, parking. Parallel park, drive forward. Now let's just see, because I want to perpendicular park. So, Gordon Bennett. I want to perpendicular park. So we switched it on. I'm going forward. It says select R and await instructions. Well, I don't want to select R because I'm going forward. So let's just see. It's looking for a parking spot. It's found a parking spot, but I don't want to go in that one because I want to go in one that's a little bit more challenging. So there you go. Perpendicular space, press button to change mode. Stop and release wheel. Select R and await instructions. So, reverse with care. So here we go. Stop, select drive and await next instruction. So drive. Select reverse. Now that is absolutely perfect. At one point I thought it was going to park right in the middle of two spaces, but it's absolutely, there you go, absolutely perfect. So that's its parking trick. Plus it'll do parallel parking along the side of the road, and also I'm pretty sure it'll get you out too. Let me just see if I click that. Park assist cancelled. Park assist off. Actually, put it in park. So parallel park searching, change mode, perpendicular parking, park exit. So here we go. Actually, it says select R and await instructions. Check surrounding for safety. Stop, select drive and await instructions. Drive, park exit, drive forward with care. Nothing coming, and it knows there's nothing at the side of me. How brilliant is that? Oh, it's changed now.